Frozen Puppet Pals! Hello, and welcome to Season 2 of the spring series of Frozen Puppet Pals. We're 1 week closer to Frozen on Blu-ray and DVD. In fact, including today, we're just 19 days away. 19 days. Crazy, right? And once again, we'd like to formally apologize for the train wreck that was supposed to be last week's Q&A video. Yeah, maybe that impromptu dance party was a bit much. But you can stop that from happening again by doing one simple thing. Send us some questions to elsa-frosemyheart.tumblr.com/ask. Ask me about snow, or summer, or ask Kristoff about ice, or me about pigtails, I don't know. And you can ask Elsa about, magic. Regardless of what you ask, we'd love to answer you, so please don't be shy. Until tomorrow, thanks for watching and have a wonderfully frozen evening.